Hello, my name is Brittany Harnack, and I am a junior at Methodist College in the nursing program. A little bit about myself. I actually grew up in Knoxville, Tennessee when we moved to Lincoln, about when I was in end of elementary school, early middle school for my dad's work. I have been married to my husband Nick for 10 years, and we have two kids, Kaylin, who is 5, and Kinsey, who will be 4 next month. Both are very, very energetic, so they keep me on my toes, and so when I'm not studying, I'm probably chasing them around. Otherwise, I do have a prior degree in education, so I did teach in the public schools for about 7 years before switching career paths. That's about it about me. Otherwise, I'm pretty boring. For inspirational leader, I did choose my father. He ran his own business for 40 years in the restaurant business. So down in Lincoln, he ran all the Wendy's there. As far as like managers, what really inspired me is he had a extremely low manager turnover rate. I remember some of the managers from when I would go to work with him when I was little are still there today. So the biggest thing that he always had said is that if you can never do the job yourself, how do you expect others to do it? So that is something that has always stuck with me, and I've seen kind of play out in my life as well. Currently, part-time, I work as a pharmacy technician, and I train all the others, and so it's just something that I always keep in my mind that if I can't do it, how can I expect others to do it? He always puts his family first, so he has been tremendous in helping me, especially with school, with being able to borrow money to pay him back in payments so I can afford to go to school. Um, but he is someone I've always looked up to and hope to strive to be as a leader. Otherwise, I hope everyone has a great semester, and I look forward to this class as well.